You just submitted Pi KYC application successfully, right? Congratulations. But wait, you're missing out on more free Pi. Did you know that besides daily mining, there's a faster way to earn even more Pi? Right after submitting your KYC application, Pi has offered you a home-based job as a Pi Human KYC Validator. You may not have noticed this opportunity or even known about it, but hesitate, just like many other KYC applicants, assuming it's difficult and typical. So don't miss this golden opportunity as we are with you. In this video, we will show you step by step, with a live demonstration, how to become a validator and start earning extra Pi. You'll see the entire process, from KYC Validator Training phase, likely questions to appear in Validator Quiz, their correct and valid answers, passing the quiz, and getting selected as a validator, all the way to actually earning Pi every day. After watching this video, you will be able to become a validator and start reviewing KYC applications, just like your own KYC was reviewed by a human validator from your region, not by Pi itself.
I am Abdullah, and you are watching the YouTube channel, DIGITDON.
You know, Pi does not have a system, contract, or government-level agreement to verify people worldwide or determine who is genuine and who is a scammer. Pioneers come from different nations, cultures, and backgrounds, using various types of identity documents with different genders and ages. That's why Pi needs human validators from each region. And that's where you come in. As a validator, you help approve KYC applications submission within your region and earn Pi in return. How interesting is that? By now, we're sure you're excited to become a validator, and you're welcome. But here's the most important, most typical part. Watch this video carefully, even twice or thrice, without skipping. Because if you don't fully understand Pi's training, submit wrong answers, take more time to answer the questions, and fail the test ultimately, Pi may withdraw the offer forever even after your first failure and ban you from becoming a validator. So don't skip a second. In the mid or an end of this video, I'll tell you a secret regarding Pi validation process that has never been revealed on YouTube, neither by anyone nor even by Pi itself. So, be intact. Now it's time to learn how to become a validator. Let's get started, without wasting any more time. Go to your Pi browser. Click on KYC tab. Below your KYC application status, you can see an offer, Become Validator, asking you to confirm whether you want to help with validating pioneers. So, click Become Validator. Read this carefully. After clicking Get Started, you will go through two phases. First, the KYC Validator Training, and second, the Validator Quiz. In the training phase, your syllabus will consist of 6 questions. The questions in the training phase may seem simple, but the quiz phase will test your understanding with more complex questions based on this training. So, don't take the training phase lightly. In the quiz phase, you will have to answer all the questions asked correctly, promptly, with no option to leave any question or choice to replace the question. Okay? Now click Get Started. Scroll down this service agreement and click I agree. Must read and understand these 3 not-to-do concepts. 70% of your training and quiz phase will be based upon these concepts. Rest will base upon your general observation. Click Confirm. Tutorial or training phase is going to start. The estimated time could be 5 minutes. Click Start Tutorial. In training phase, this is your first document to verify or validate and put the correct answer whether the document, presented by some KYC applicant, is a passport from United States or not. You have only 1 minute to validate each document and answer the questions asked. Your answer yes or no should be based upon this criterion. If it seems okay and you choose yes, you will be presented with the next document. If you don't agree and choose no, you will have to give reason and justification for your disagreement. In our case, what do you think? Could it be a US passport? Take your time. Remember, you are not going through the actual training right now. Whatever your answer is, mine is no. Why? Because I have carefully examined the presented document. Its visibility is clear, it appears valid, current, and genuine, but it is not the correct document type. The document presenter claims it is a US passport, but in reality, it is a US ID card. So, I'll go with no. As I said earlier, if we choose no, we will have to justify our choice also. Obviously, we had chosen no for incorrect ID type. Rest options are not appropriate. So click incorrect ID and press next. Yes, our answer is correct. Proceed for the next document. Now, I won't brief anything more in this phase. I'll continue with my own choices, and you can proceed with yours. Keep tallying your choices with mine honestly, and improve yourself, because you might encounter different types of documents and different type of questions to answer. Our goal here is not to prepare you for copy-paste, but to educate you. Wow, we have completed tutorial/training phase successfully. Time for more crucial phase. Based on your training, you will now proceed to the quiz. As told earlier, in the quiz phase, you will have to answer all the questions asked correctly, promptly, with no option to leave any question or choice to replace the question. Click Start Quiz. Here comes the question number. 1. What's your answer? I am going with this one. Click Next Question. Here is question number 2. What do you think? I am choosing this option. Click Next Question. Here comes question number 3. A bit tricky, isn't it? Going with this one. What was yours? That's it. We completed the quiz. Review of our application to become a validator can take a while. Approval for becoming a validator can take a few hours or even days. Hence, we will keep checking status of our application by clicking KYC tab in Pi browser. Here, we are checking the status. Yes, our application to become a validator has been approved, and we can start validating now. We are confident that if Pi refers a validation case to you in the future, you will never copy, download, save, or take a screenshot of the forwarded documents. Now, let's reveal the secret we promised at the beginning. When you go through the quiz, you might select wrong answers or take too long to respond. Pi may allow you to resubmit your answers, and that seems fine. But here's what most people don't know. Pi closely monitors your entire quiz performance before approving you as a validator. The more mistakes you make or the longer you take to answer, the more Pi classifies you as an underrated validator. And guess what? Underrated validators receive fewer validation cases, meaning fewer opportunities to earn Pi. Plus, they earn less Pi per validation compared to highly rated validators. So, if you want to maximize your earnings, pay close attention during training, answer carefully in the quiz, and be quick. You are lucky to have learned all of this. Now, you have the knowledge that most pioneers miss. Use it wisely, follow the right steps, and make the most out of Pi's validator opportunity. This video is created solely for educational purposes. It is not influenced by any entity and does not promote or facilitate any business transactions. We do not assume responsibility for any loss or consequences resulting from the actions demonstrated in this video. We're sure this content has been valuable for you. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Also, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more useful and exciting content coming your way. That's it for now. See you in the next video soon. For any general or business inquiries, feel free to reach out to us on WhatsApp at +92 3222 731 or email us at contactdigitdon@gmail.com.
You know, there is one and only key to success, that is patience and consistency. So be intact and don't listen to people who make you disheartened. We all together will be successful, no doubt.
DIGITDON, the name of trust and reliability.